The new Nest Thermostat is here, and Google claims it's smarter, sleeker, and somehow cheaper to run. But is it actually worth upgrading, or just another expensive device? Let's open this up and check it out. Opening the box, Google keeps the packaging minimal but polished. Right on top is the star of the show, the Nest Learning Thermostat 4th generation. Underneath, and finally Google listened, they included a temperature sensor in the box. That's huge because you can place it in another room, say the bedroom or office, and have the thermostat prioritize that room's comfort at specific times. Here's the rest of the stuff. You've got the mounting base, screws, wires, and labels. It's not just the thermostat, it's almost the core. The dome crystal LED display is 60% larger than the 3rd gen, with a sleek mirror finish that looks expensive. Some would call it jewelry for your wall. It's thinner with a small mounting base, so it basically floats when installed. And yes, that iconic rotating dial is still there, but it feels refined, smooth, tight, and satisfying to turn. Feature-wise, this is a serious upgrade. It learns your routine with AI, uses radar-based dynamic Farsight to show useful info as you approach it, and supports Matter, so it works with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. I'm not installing on camera today, but I'll be posting updates in the comments over the coming weeks. So if you're curious, keep an eye out for that. So first impressions, the 4th gen Nest Thermostat is gorgeous, feels premium, and, at least on paper, packs some serious smarts. But is it actually worth over $200? If you want to know how it performs in the real world, like this video and subscribe, because I'll be dropping updates in the comments and maybe a follow-up video if this thing lives up to the hype. And hey, tell me in the comments if you're considering buying or if you think smart thermostats are just overpriced gadgets.